How to connect Shopify to OfferLab. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Shopify to OfferLab. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify and OfferLab, you can also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is OfferLab, it is an online program designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and business owners create irresistible offers that attract customers and boost sales. It also provides a step-by-step framework for building, packaging, and positioning offers that stands out in a competitive market. So now to sign in here, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up free button on the top right, where you can sign up using your Google account. After signing in, you'll be directed on this page, which is the homepage of OfferLab. And after that, the next thing that we need is simply sign in our Shopify account. In which, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores with ease. It also provides user-friendly tools for designing websites, listing product, processing payments, and handling shipping, making it a complete solution for selling online. Shopify also offers a wide range of customizable themes, apps, and integration to enhance functionality and meet different business needs. With built-in features like analytics, marketing tools, and secure checkout system, it supports both small startups and large enterprises. And in here, to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click Start for Free button on the top right, where you can sign in also using your Google account. And once start signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page of Shopify. And now to start connecting, just simply go to our OfferLabs and go to this menu button on the left side panel and click the settings option. Then you will automatically be directed in here. Under the settings, all you need to do is to simply choose here or click this integrations section. By doing so, just choose here the Shopify and click connect Shopify button. Now as you can see on this pop-up window, it needed the Shopify URL and also the access token. And to get the shop URL, just go to your Shopify and click this online store, view your online store. Upon clicking on it, just simply choose here or copy the link. Click simply copying it, paste it in here directly. Well, the next one that are needed is this access token. And in order to get this, just go to your Shopify once again and click the settings button on the left side panel right here. And after that, from here on the left side panel, just choose this option, hubs and sales channels. By doing so, just click the develop apps button and click this allow custom app development, since we're basically going to create and install the application in here. And click the button create an app right here, and in this pop-up window, just enter the name of the app, for example OfferLab. But you could also customize the name depending on your preferences, and click create app button to proceed. Now after that, from here under overview, just choose here this configure admin API scopes. By clicking on it, you'll be directed in here. Now under this, you simply go to the search bar right here and search the product. In all of the result of the product, just simply check these boxes: product listing, product feeds, and products. And also search orders, which is also needed. So I'm going to choose here, for example, order editing, orders, and many more. And after that, go to your API credentials, but make sure to save the configuration first. And since we did not save the last configuration, I'm going to do the same process of adding the product and also the orders option in here, which is this one once again, and also the orders section. So this is basically the part that you need to remember to save before proceeding to the other configuration of API. In order to get the access token, then click save on the top right, then proceed to API credentials. And here click install app button and click install once again. Or you could also visit the terms and conditions of Shopify to install, so you can simply read all of this and understand. Then click install to proceed, and once done, you will be directed in here, and it will show you the admin API access token. So from here, just simply copy it or reveal first and click copy. Then go back to our OfferLab and paste it directly. However, upon connecting it or entering here, it has an error in here in our Shopify URL. So if it is not working, we can start customizing our Shopify URL instead of changing this API access token in here. But you could also try the other kind of token, which is if you scroll down right here, it will show you this API secret key and API key, where you can also copy and paste directly in our OfferLabs right here on this pop-up window. But since the Shopify URL is the problem, we're going to fix this one. So we're going to simply erase some of the unnecessary context, which is this slash at the end, and also the HTTPS that are not usually in the link tab section of our website. So from here, I'm just going to simply delete this HTTPS at this point. And after that, it will show you that it is now currently working in here, so you can see upon connecting it to Shopify. So as you can see, we have now connecting it successfully. And to test it out, you could also go to your sell option on the left side panel. And you can navigate here other things including the funnels, the vault, and even orders. It will show us that we can go to our marketplace. However, in all of these three options such as funnels, vault, and orders, just proceed by going to the funnels option. And instead under your offers, just click here or choose your products. And to add the products that we can find in our Shopify, just click the plus button on the top right corner. Then click Shopify and it will reveal us all of our product that we can find. So we can simply click this and import one product directly in our OfferLabs. And you will be able to see the result that has been added from our Shopify to OfferLabs. So connecting Shopify to OfferLab is important because it bridges the product selling with a powerful offer creation strategies, helping businesses to maximize conversions and revenue, while Shopify provides the platform to showcase and sell products. It also offers the OfferLab equips entrepreneurs with the tools to package these products into irresistible offers that stand out in the market. And aside from that, by integrating both businesses can streamline the process of launching, promoting, and selling their offers directly through their Shopify store. And overall, that is just basically how you can connect Shopify to OfferLab. Thank you.